Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am so excited for today's video. Oh man, I've got my skincare order in from BoxyCharm's Beauty Bash. And what makes this so exciting, even more so than what it would be, is the fact that even if you are not a BoxyCharm member, you can shop the sale. I will have it linked in the description box below. There are accessories, skincare, high-end skincare and makeup products, makeup tools, brushes, hair tools, literally anything beauty that you could think of, even lifestyle products, vibrators, for God's sakes. I did pick one up if you want to see that video. I guess I could link that in the description box below. Maybe you've already seen it and maybe not, but I have got, I think, 8 orders in total coming. I got my lifestyle order. I'll link that in the description box below if you want to see it. This is my skincare order. The way I did it is I went in and I got all the lifestyle products that I wanted. I got all of the makeup products that I wanted. And then I got all of the skincare products that I wanted, all in separate orders. And then I went back again and got odds and ends with makeup, skincare, lifestyle, just random stuff. But this is a straight skincare order, but I am so excited to show you guys what I got. And I'm so excited that even if you are not a BoxyCharm member, you can shop the sale. I will have it linked in the description box below. I will also have linked in the description box below a chance to win my paid for November BoxyCharm base box. I am on BoxyCharm's PR list, so occasionally I will get duplicate boxes. So for November, the base box in my PR and my paid for were exactly the same. So I am giving away my paid for box. All you have to do is be subscribed here on the channel and leave me a comment on that video, which I said will be linked in the description box below. But let's just go ahead and get on in. Now, let me just say as well, this is not all for me. I'm not this greedy. I was picking things up for future giveaways here on my channel, some for myself and some for Christmas gifts as well. But there are so many amazing goodies in here for a steal, you guys. Okay. First up, because it's on the top of the box, is the Barbie Glam Glow Glow Starter. So this is a mega illuminating moisturizer, which I have never tried. And believe it or not, I'm a beauty guru, a makeup artist, and I had never tried Glam Glow until I got affiliated with BoxyCharm back in, I believe, March of last year was my first box. And so everything that I have tried from this brand, I have absolutely fell in love with. Things that I got through my boxes, excuse me, my lash glue is like sticking and it's making my lash flip-flop. It's driving me crazy. So sorry about the distraction. Maybe it's just distracting me. I don't know. Anyhow, okay. So I did say I was going to let you know through the sale what I paid for each item. This was $18 on the sale, which is an amazing value for what it truly costs. This is not something that I have tried in the past, and this is something that I do intend on keeping for myself. But I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a ton of skincare open. I'm going to wait until I finish some of the things that I have open because these type of products do actually have a shelf life, and I don't want to waste. I mean, even though I got things on a sale, I still spent a really decent chunk of money on this sale only because I ordered in abundance, literally so much good stuff. So this is what the packaging looks like. Freaking adorable with the pink and silver. Absolutely love it. And I can't wait to give it a try. Again, I paid $18 for that, which is a great value for anything Glam Glow. Next, I'm not even looking, I'm just pulling out. Oh, I am so excited for this. This is another product that I came to know through BoxyCharm, and this is Glow Recipe, and it is the Papaya. Why couldn't I say that? Papaya Sherbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I recently tried the Elmis Cleansing Balm again through BoxyCharm. You guys, that is one of the most amazing things about being a charmer is that I get to try things from brands that I may not pick up for myself or even know about. prior and then end up falling in love with the products. They work really well for me. I absolutely love them. Sometimes it's like a hit or miss kind of thing. Of course, you know, every product isn't going to be for you, but just getting to try things that you wouldn't normally purchase for yourself and then finding things that work for you, it is so, so good. So this is a huge product. Let me just show you in comparison. This, it looks like it is a lot of product. I did pay $20 for this one. I'm trying to pull it out of the box. This is, again, something that I am going to keep for myself. I have extremely dry skin all year round, but especially in the winter months, it becomes like extremely dry. So there are definitely cleansing products that can contribute to the dryness of my skin. Cleansing balms are normally the way to go for me. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, very, very nice packaging. And then it does also come with a spatula to get the product out. I'm sure that it smells like heaven, but again, I'm not going to open it just yet. I do need to get through the 50 products that I already have open before I open anything else. But I am so excited to give this a try, and I will definitely let you guys know on a later date how I feel about it. But I know I'm gonna love it. I just have a feeling. Okay, so next we do have, what is this? I think this might be another Glam Glow product. I did get quite a few Glam Glow products because these are expensive skincare products. So if we have an opportunity to pick them up at a discounted price, look, I am totally here for that. Some of these I did pick up for gifts for Christmas. And so this is actually going to be a gift. I think this is going to go to my mama. She has dry skin too. This is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizers. This is supposed to be like an extreme moisturizer. Again, the packaging on these is just so nice. Really, really pretty. So, like I said, I think I'm going to gift this to my mom for Christmas. We both have dry skin. I think that she will love this. I want it myself, of course. I want all of this stuff, but I'm not greedy. So, this is going to go to Mama for Christmas. Mama Jeannie. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. For this, I paid $16, which, again, a steal for any Glam Glow product. Next, I did pick up a backup of the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This is the one that I was just talking about when we were talking about this cleansing balm. I got this in a BoxyCharm maybe 2 months ago. I believe it came in my base box and absolutely fell in love with it. It cleanses my face, gets the makeup off, gets the oil. Well, I don't have any oil, but gets the dirt off and just really leaves me feeling clean and fresh without stripping my skin, which is definitely what I need. This is what the packaging looks like. I paid $10 for this in the sale, you guys. $10. So this is my backup because I'm absolutely in love with it. I still have quite a bit left in the one that I have open, but since I could pick one up at such a discount, I did want to go ahead and grab myself a backup because I do like it so much. Okay, and next from Kate Somerville, we have the Wrinkle Warrior Hydrating Gel Plump Rehydrate Gel, I guess. This I did pay $18 for. I don't know yet if I'm going to keep this, put it in a giveaway, gift it for Christmas, but it is super cute Barbie pink packaging, which I always love. Kate Somerville is a very, very nice, well-known high-end skincare brand. So anything from her, of course, I want, but I haven't decided yet if that's something I'm going to keep or pass into a giveaway or a giveaway for Christmas. I don't know yet. And next, we do have another Glam Glow product, and I was thinking about my sister when I picked this up. This might be a Christmas gift for my sister, who is pregnant now, so I don't know. Hopefully there's not any ingredients in it that would be harmful to my nephew, my first nephew that is on the way. But anyhow, this is the Glam Glow Good in Bed. It's passion fruit softening night cream. So another Glam Glow product. This one I paid $16 for. Let's see if we can look at the packaging on this one. It says, "Hello, sexy." I like that. And my sister would like that. This is totally my sister. And then really pretty packaging again. This one is in the red. So this will probably go to my baby sister for Christmas. I know that she will love it. And that is another thing that is so amazing, you guys, with these sales, with Christmas right around the corner, being able to pick up high-end luxury products for our loved ones at a fraction of the price. Look, we're going to spend money on them anyways for Christmas. Why not take advantage of this sale and get it for a fraction of the price? Like, seriously, this stuff is so good. Did I tell you what I paid for that? I paid $16. I don't know if I said it or not. So next, this is from Earth Harbor, which is another brand that I have fallen in love with through BoxyCharm. My very first BoxyCharm box, I was able to choose between, I want to say maybe it was like the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand or the Earth Harbor superfood, like CBD type of face oil. I chose the Earth Harbor. I can't remember exactly if that's what it was up against. I just remember what I chose, but I fell in love with the brand after trying it and have tried so many products from them since and loved each and every one of them. This is not something that I've tried, and it is the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. I would like to have this for myself, but it's something that I may end up putting in a giveaway or giving for Christmas, but this is what it looks like. I love their products, all natural. This was $9 on the sale, you guys, $9, and I just love that brand. So super excited to have that. Whether or not I'm going to keep it yet, I don't know. Next, from Kors, this is the Wild Rose Brightening Night Cream. So I recently got this off of another BoxyCharm sale, and it is the Kors, it's like a pore blurring moisturizer. I have fallen in love with this stuff. It smells so good, and I love using it before my makeup and before my primer. I love using this as the moisturizer before going in with primer, and it's like a double blurring effect on fine lines and wrinkles. I was really hoping to see this on the sale. I definitely would have picked up one or two for backup because I love it so much, but that wasn't on the sale. But they did have this product. This I did pay, where is it at? $11 for. So I figured since I liked that product so much, since I saw something else from the brand, I would go ahead and pick it up and give this a try at some point. Again, it may end up going into a upcoming giveaway, or it might be something that I'll end up trying out myself. Either way, great deal. Absolutely love the stuff that I have tried so far from the brand, and again was introduced to the brand through BoxyCharm, which is like the story of my recent life. Now, next, okay, so this is a repeat buy. This will be my third one when I use it. This is definitely for me. I have fallen in love with it. It is from Bloom Effects, another product or another company that I was introduced to through BoxyCharm. They had this Royal Tulip Nectar in one of the recent past boxes. Actually, it was quite some months ago now at this point. Now, that product I did not love. I ended up giving it to my mother. I have dry skin, but that stuff just kind of sat on top of my skin and never soaked in. I don't know why. Other people may love it. It just wasn't for me. But this product of theirs, I'm absolutely in love with. It is their Tulip Dew Mist, and the way that I use it is I spray it on in the morning and at night before going in with my skincare, and I feel like it helps my skincare absorb and helps my skin get the best out of my skincare routine that it possibly could. I absolutely love this spray. I'm about halfway through the one that I have open. I have one other backup, and since I was able to pick it up for $8, I grabbed a second backup because I absolutely love it that much. I feel like it really, really, really does make a difference in the way that my skincare is able to perform on my skin, if that makes sense. So at $8, a total steal to grab myself another one. Next, this is also for me. This is from Avent Skincare. I actually purchased this, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago on a BoxyCharm sale. It's not something that I got in my box, but I know that the retail value on this is crazy, like $150 or something. It is a glycolic acid face exfoliant. The one that I had lasted me forever, like 5 or 6 months with just this little bottle. Well, because I mean, how much do you really need? And I didn't use it every single day, but I did just run out of it, and I absolutely love this product. I feel like it exfoliates enough, but not too much to like where my dry skin is irritated, but it is enough to like slough away the dry, yucky winter skin. And actually I got this when it was summertime, spring going into summer, and I absolutely loved it. So I know that I will absolutely love, love, love having it in the winter as my skin gets even drier. So again, this retails for some crazy retail price, like in the hundreds somewhere. And I was able to pick it up for $9. And so, like I said, I just ran out of the one that I did have, and since I really enjoyed it, I said yes, we're going to go ahead and get another one at that price. Oh yes, we are. Now this, I'm dropping stuff. Okay, so I think this is the last product in the skincare haul, and it is from Earth Harbor. I've already told you that I came to know Earth Harbor through BoxyCharm and have come to love them, and this is their Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. I do plan on holding on to this product. It's something that I've had my eye on for a while and really, really want to try it. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this I was able to pick up for, where is she at? $9. Total steal for anything from that brand. I dropped something, so I was just trying to make sure I didn't drop a product that I'm not showing you, because honestly, you guys, I have so much on the way that like I can't even remember everything that I ordered. But everything is not for me. Like I said, I'm going to be using a lot of this for upcoming giveaways to give back to you all, and Christmas presents as well. So anyhow, that is my all skincare haul from BoxyCharm Beauty Bash. And you guys, if you have not yet checked it out, I'm telling you, it's definitely worth a look at. You don't have to sign up for anything. I don't get like a kickback. I don't get paid or anything like that for you clicking on the link and checking out the sale. It's just simply a way for you to check it out for yourself, and then maybe you will find that you want to become part of the BoxyCharm family, or maybe you will just want to shop the sale. That is up to you, my friend, but it's definitely worth checking out. And then I can't remember if I said in the beginning of the video, and I want to just mention it, the look that I have today is from my November glam bag, the $13 bag from Ipsy, and it has been a hot minute since I have been excited about a glam bag. My glam bag X was really good, but that was my first time doing glam bag X, and I really enjoyed it. But the last couple months, my glam bag and my glam bag plus have been straight skincare, no makeup, no way for me to even try stuff out on camera with you guys. I actually, right before this video, got done doing my unbagging and try on of my Ipsy glam bag, and that is how we created this look. It was so, so good this month. That video is going to be on tomorrow, so definitely keep your eye out for that. And that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I love you so much. Get your entry for my BoxyCharm giveaway. Keep your eye out for my monthly giveaway, which will be opening very soon. Go shop the link, you guys. It is so worth it. And my next order from the BoxyCharm sale is already on the way. It's due to be delivered, it's due to be delivered on Tuesday, so hopefully that will be the case, and I will be right on here showing you all of the goodies in that one as well. Until next time, guys, Stay safe, stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.